All right. Here a second, sorry. I see some music playing that hopefully we can turn off. We'll be starting about 5 minutes, sorry, and then we're gonna start. 5 more minutes, guys, and then we start. All right, perfect. The 5 minutes is up, so thank you for everyone being on. Again, feel free to continuously share this webinar because we will be getting to more and more awesome information as it goes deeper. But first of all, I want to thank you all for being on. My name is Daniel Westby. I'm here to help. Share the BoomDirect in English for you guys. BoomDirect is something that I'm very, very proud to be a part of and to share because it's something that truly I believe in. One of the things that a little bit about myself. I've been in the industry of sharing products and promotions and marketing about 3 years. I've had the success to create 6 figures at a young age. But one of the things that I always believed in was promoting things that really you can believe in, things that you would use with or without being paid. And if that was the case, you will always be successful. And with BoomDirect, that's exactly one of the things that it offers, is something that people can believe in wholeheartedly and know that it's best for the people, that there's something there that is really for the average Joe. And that's what I'm about. I'm not about ever being a part of something that would just be for the biggest person, but something that helps a little guy. And that's what we're going to explain to you guys today on this webinar. How you could be someone that could start earning money through a unique way that has never been shared before, and I mean never been shared before in this industry, and have fun doing it. So without further ado, we are going to get started with this presentation. So just one moment as I try to move these slides over. All right, just 1 second, guys. There we go. All right, so for the overview of the evening, just to let you guys know, we're going to be sharing with you, how BoomDirect works, how its mission is literally changed how shared revenue systems work, and as well as their business model. in about a half an hour presentation for you all. So make sure you take your notes, get ready, make sure you're able to also have some friends you want to share this with after, because I promise you, you're going to want to. So now we're going to talk a little bit about, the CEO. First of all, at the end of the webinar, all weekly news will be presented by Mr. Johnny Martin, the CEO founder of BoomDirect, an excellent man. I'm based out of Canada, just like I am. It's something that I'm really proud to have got to know him more and more personally, throughout these few months. And that's one of the big reasons why I realized BoomDirect was something to be a part of, because if the leaders have great intentions, the company will have great intentions. So that's what we're going to go over. So first of all, guys, BoomDirect, will change the future of online shared revenue systems, as well as your future if you use it properly. And this will basically become the flagship view of what every other company will want to become in the revenue sharing process. And we're going to explain a few things right off the bat that makes this so unique. So first of all, as we all know, what revenue sharing is for most people. It usually means where you have to put in money to something and they promise you a certain return based off of how many people put it in. They usually hold your money hostage for a few months, sometimes even a few years, in hopes to get a return from it. First of all, one thing that many people, especially people that have been around the block, as I like to say, and been in business a long time, they know that a lot of these have expiry dates. They aren't actually designed to help everyone get a return on investment, but just to get the very top people return on investment. They actually have an expiry date, or as some people call a point of critical mass, to where they collapse. So for that, it's normal to believe that, when people tell you that you're going to be rich in a few days or a few years, like Bill Gates, that's a big red flag for you to be aware that, this isn't truly revenue share. This is something just to get the people at the top money. And what we're wanting to do is change that completely and, get rid of all the fake that is out in the industry and get people back with the real, get people back with something that is believable, that is true, that holds to its word, and that is transparent. And so that is where BoomDirect was born. It was born from this idea that people should really be able to be a part of something long-term that truly benefits everyone. But of course, they had to do it in a unique way that's never been done before, because we all know, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting different results. So that's one of the things I'm going to talk to you about with BoomDirect, is why it's different. Now, first of all, the number one thing that's different between BoomDirect and almost everything out there is that it's 100% free. It is the only online business model that does not want a single dollar from its members to make you money. And some people are going to ask, how is that even possible? Is it profitable for BoomDirect? Will it be around long term? The answer is yes, and it's actually becoming more profitable than ever before as they continue doing the partnerships and creating the relationships that they have. So that's one thing that I want to quickly share with you. So let's go over their concept. The innovative concept of BoomDirect is very simple. As we all know, Forex is one of the largest growing industries in the world today. It's a $5 trillion a day market, and retail traders such as ourselves have been growing continuously into this field. Now, one of the things that BoomDirect does is it creates a community of traders that it can use this community and the strength of community to leverage substantial profits on the Forex markets. Through basically shared managed trading, or managed social trading as some people like to call it, and a partnership with some of the best brokers in the world like FX Globe and JFD Prime. We're able to actually distribute 75% of the profits BoomDirect makes to the people. And people always ask, where are these profits coming from? Well, let's do a very simple explanation, guys. When you are in Forex, you always have to partner with a broker, like FX Globe, JFD Primes, other brokers that are out there. And how brokers make money is just like with the currency exchange. There is a spread. There is a certain amount that you would need to make, just like stocks, or a commission that goes to broker for you being able to use their platform. Now, with every other broker in the world, all that money goes to the broker. If you have a $1, let's say, fee for trade, that $1 goes towards the broker and nothing else. That lines their pockets for you being able to use them. What we do is we actually make partnerships with these brokers to give back a large percentage of that spread back to the people. So whatever kind of percentage we can make a deal with the brokers, we give back 75% of that to the everyday users of BoomDirect. Now, people ask, is this possible for anyone to do? And the answer is no. The reason why BoomDirect is even able to do this is, number one, the leverage and strength of their community, and number two, the relationships and business, business connections that our CEOs have. So it's something that's very, very cool. You can literally work with any kind of broker you want in this industry. It doesn't matter what you're doing with, but what they decide to do is do the research for you to find the right brokers the right people, the ones that are regulated, the ones who will not steal your money. And then on top of that, not just finding good brokers to use, but making deals for you, the people, so that you can make more money for every trade and actually now help make money with your friends, not just by yourself. So, BoomDirect has a few advantages, like we were mentioning. You can earn the substantial, income through the revenues of the compensation plan they have. We'll go over, how that works. But, it is a shared revenue system. This is basically what made this company stand alone. Is it's basically designed the brand new program to enable its members to participate through monthly revenues without ever having to purchase shares or anything to receive it. So again, because we made these partnerships with these brokers, you do not need to pay to participate in this program, because simply by trading, you will generate income from the spreads anyways, right? That money gets generated anyways, and that is where the power comes with BoomDirect. So, think of it this way. Every single trade you open, the more trades you open, the more money you make a broker. That's why brokers like, you to do a lot of trades. If you trade a little bit and make more profits on a trade, that doesn't change the percentage that brokers get. It's always a fixed rate. And so what BoomDirect decided to do is, since we can get back the money from people trading, we've designed things within BoomDirect, not just the fact that you can earn your money back from trading yourself, but actually things for investors to actually now create an automated system, an automated revenue sharing system for you as well. So, first of all, let's think about Forex, guys. Forex has been accessible to everyone over the past few years. And, that includes amateurs and beginning investors too. So one of the things that social trading, or just, us being as a community and human beings, with globalization happening where we can communicate with anyone, anywhere, it allows us to follow trading of other peers, right? Whenever you see someone that does something good, you usually try to mimic them. This is something that allows people to analyze the opportunity behavior of experienced and unexperienced people, so you can, take positions with them on the market. The best way I kind of put it, if we can put into an example, is, if you're following a professional race car driver, what's better? You trying to, drive on your own and take your own strategy, or just following right behind them, right? You're going to do the same results as they are if you're following right behind them. So that is one of the things that we like to do, is, follow the experts, not just try to make things on yourself. So that's where BoomDirect comes in handy. They provide strategies held by money management licensed people where you can benefit from them, basically trading without any managerial fees, which means, the average person, just to give you guys an example, the average person trying to trade Forex on themselves, follows this 90-90-90 rule, which is 90% of people in Forex lose 90% of their money in their first 90 days. Now, we don't want that to happen to anyone in Forex. So what they've done is they've partnered with professional traders that, they're not here to make you rich overnight, just like we were saying, but they're here to slowly compound your account for you, and that there's someone trustworthy you can follow. They're hedge fund traders that have managed customer portfolios before. They have low risk strategies, which means, again, you aren't going to be blowing your account. You're not going to be, going bankrupt from this, but also it'll be able to slowly grow you income on top of the revenue sharing, which we're going to talk about in a little bit as well. So how do you make money with BoomDirect, right? Like, let's say you want to join the brokers that they've created and join the community. How are you going to make money after that? You've joined, you've made a broker account, you've added money in. What is it that you're going to do to make money? Well, very simple. First, of course, you sign up and put money into your account. Second, you choose a low risk trading strategy. From those, it'll copy for you all the trades that those traders do. You can earn commissions off the spread of your own trades, as well as sharing with other people, and then you get paid every single day. Very simple. So let's go over that a little bit so you guys can understand. You see, BoomDirect has different ranks based off of how much you or the people you refer are trading, or again, off of the strategies they're choosing, right? There's two ways to make money. One is from your individual advancement, which means if you're making trades yourself, or the strategy you're following is making trades, that will grow your rank. Or just as a group, a whole team, people that you refer that are now using this broker as well, the more trades they have in place, that increases your rank. So that's something that's really cool, is literally the ranks are free. You don't need to pay to increase them. All you need to do is have people trade. The more lots traded, the more your account increases. So, just looking at here, if you have, a certain amount of lots that are traded from your entire team, that grows your entire rank. If you have yourself trading certain size of lots, that again is depending on your account size, you will also be able to hit certain ranks to earn more of the globalized pool. So it's literally revenue sharing, where it doesn't just give to the people that came in first. That's not how this works. It's who trades or who invests the most and the most consistently. And that is something that I really love about BoomDirect. So, just for you guys that aren't understanding the whole lots and how those work, a lot is basically a term for an amount of money in the markets. When you're trading on your MetaTrader platform or with an investment platform, they usually have certain sizes from any size you can really choose from. But to create a full lot, obviously, is just basic math and decimals, right? 10 0.10s is a full lot. 50 0.02s is a full lot. 20 0.05 is a full lot. And 100 0.01s is a full lot. So that is just something so you guys can understand how you'd be able to hit those ranks we just showed based off of how much you're trading your account. Okay, so let's go over the bonuses and commissions for it. Number one, BoomDirect pays you in multiple different ways. You can do it from the investment profit. So again, just following a strategy and it slowly growing, right? The one thing that most people realize is even if these strategies only build you, 3% a month, that is about 5 times more profitable than every year in a bank account. So an average bank account will make you maybe 1% in a year when, if they're looking to generate you 3% a month, that's substantial. That is something that you can feel confident in because it's so low risk and you're making money from every trade anyways. You can also get rank-based commissions, sponsorship commissions, and fast start bonuses we will talk about. So we're going to talk about every single one of these just over the next few slides. Your commissions are paid daily, which is really nice. All you need is literally 1 cent in your portfolio if you be able to withdraw it, and it can go through any payment processor, wire transfer, or credit card. So something that you can get it paid to you however you want. So let's go over some basic math now, guys, on revenue sharing. So what we're going to show you right here is based off of whatever rank you are, how many members there are in BoomDirect can show you just an average or an estimated potential per month that you're doing just, again, using their broker, just plugging into a strategy or trading yourself. This is how much you could be expected to earn, literally what normally would go to the broker. So this money, again, you're seeing right here, you're not taking from your friends, you're not taking from your family. This is getting taken from the broker. Again, from the big people, like I like to call the Robin Hood, this is taking from the rich and giving to the poor. So you can literally expect yourself to grow, even up to almost $10,000 a month, even if the memberships grow even more and more worldwide, which, BoomDirect has tens of thousands of members already. You could just see the numbers. We've already surpassed that first number down there. We're now down to the second and even going further for people using their strategies. So you could just sit in, plug in, let's say, put in $100 in your account, let it ride with the strategy and start on top of your profits generating this residual income. So, how do you choose your strategy for this and how does it work to increase your investment profile? Because again, BoomDirect, like I say, isn't here just for traders. It's mainly here to diversify your portfolio. One of the things that I've learned as being in this business is you never put your eggs in one basket. You diversify your portfolio. If you look at any professional trader, they have multiple broker accounts, multiple accounts linked into different things, different people trading it. If you're in a hedge fund, a PAM account, whatever it is, right? You want to diversify your portfolio. So a few things about their managed trading strategies. One is any deposit can be at your discretion. They're not controlling your bank account. That money belongs to you. It doesn't go to a pool. At any time you can withdraw your money. So just like you trading your own account, it's the exact same thing. Just somebody else you're copying. So it's still your account that your money's in. It's just copying their accounts, which is something that I like. Depending on your strategy, it'll basically become your investment portfolio with a monthly profit. It'll also increase your rank advancement being plugged into traders since they do a certain amount of trades a day. And again, there are people that hold management licenses with low risk, like we see here, about 2% risk on their accounts. So again, you can use other traders if you want as well. But one of the things I would always recommend, even if you're already a part of a hedge fund, is look into this, because regardless if you're in a hedge fund or not already, or you're part of a program or a company or anything, you want to have something that is a low risk that can be put to the side that you and all of your friends could do that's completely free. Remember, completely free, because that is the way business people work. That is how, I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this, but the old saying is, the average millionaire has 6 sources of income. So, one of the things that I want to do is if I want to become a millionaire, I should suggest doing 6 sources of income, that are completely separate from each other and that benefit yourself. So, our trading strategies are really cool. You can put in as little as $50 to $100,000 to even more money with a very low risk and reasonable, realistic monthly profits. Again, they don't overpromise and underdeliver. This company is more about under promising and over delivering. So every time one of your members chooses a strategy as well, you can receive a commission for each trade they make day after day, month after month, year after year. So it can build your residual income. So think about this, if you were normally going to invest in anything and your friends want to do it too, all it does is increase their income. You don't really get anything in return for sharing that with them, especially something free like this. But with BoomDirect, you will. You can start making money, even if it's only 1%, 2% growth a month. If your friends want to have, their money that's normally in their bank account, making $0 a month for them, grow for them, you can now be paid for as much as they grows. That's something that's beautiful. You're not taking from your friends. Again, you're taking from the broker. Now, I want to, again, share this with you guys as we go over the strategies. One thing that most people don't realize is in today's day and age, the depreciation of the dollar is actually faster than the growth of interest. So if you have, for instance, let's say like we were talking about before, 1% growth a year in a bank account, which is very average, people don't realize the average dollar, especially US dollar, depreciates 4% a year. This is actually something from the Federal Reserve. They've proven that over the past 20 years, the American dollar has depreciated about 4% a year its original value. So that means you'll need more and more money to do the same thing. Just like, again, in the past, why you could buy a lot of groceries with $20 and now you can barely buy, a chicken dinner for $20. So you always have to beat that 4% a year to even expect to make a profit from your money. And you can see, these traders, they tell you how many trades they do per day, how many days a month. Oh, sorry, I got to go back on there. I'm not sure what happened there. Here's 1 second. Oh, sorry, there we go. Sorry about that. Our mouses are competing. So again, with average traders, they tell you how many trades they do per day, which again, why is that important? Because every trade generates profits for BoomDirect and therefore for you and your friends. They tell you how many days in the month they're trading. So again, you can know exactly what to estimate and what to expect on your revenue sharing. They show you their strategies as well and what currency pairs they trade. So as an investment portfolio, you can feel confident with it. And they tell you their expected profit, 3 to 5% a month. Again, this isn't something significantly high, but the whole point of this is to have something consistently passive. One of the things is you can, again, go into other investments if you want with other forms of your money that are more roller coaster, but this is something they want as a nice, steady climb. Very low risk, tells you the max loss or possibility, and they also show you, what size of account you should have based off of the size of trading they want. So, if you have a $50 account, you can copy the strategy that does 0.02 lots. If you have a $500 account, you can do the 0.05 lots. If you have a $1,000 account, 0.10. But that is at your discretion. So that's one of the things I love about this. Like I was saying before, I have multiple streams of income, and I love this being one of those ones that's low risk, that's not really something you need to manage that much or even at all. You can just simply put in your money and walk away and continue doing your life how you love it. And when you have other friends that want something free to invest into, boom, you literally have it. So sponsorship commissions, let's talk about that as well. That's one thing that people want to know is, from this revenue, from every single spread of the broker, where is your cut of the pie? Well, that's very simple to give, guys. How BoomDirect works is what we call a 4-generation style business, which means every single time you refer someone, you will receive commissions from their trades. You will even receive commissions from the trades of people they refer, and even the people that those people refer and those people's people refer. So 4 generations or levels, if you want to call it, of direct referrals, you will receive about 15 to 20% of their spread that normally goes to broker now goes to you. So that's something that's really cool. If you really look at the math and do the math here, that means about, what is that, 75% of the spread that is coming from the broker goes back to the people. It's not mandatory to sponsor, but it's of course very profitable because yes, you can make profits from the global pool like we showed in the large section with 10, 20, 30, 40,000 members. But even with small groups of people, if you are someone that referred them to use this low investment strategies, you can make a beautiful profit from it. And we're going to show you a little bit more about how that works as well. So, again, it's something that you could just a quick overview as a last overview. You can literally just copy the profiles of a single trader with a simple objective of generating volume. So again, instead of generating profits, you could also just make money generating volume, which is beautiful because the more people generating the volume, the more that comes back as everyone is, again, making a small profits from the trades as well. So that's one thing that we really like. they have everything low risk. So it's all realistically, if you look at and break it down, you will make money from the trading and you will make money from the spread. They want it to be very simple, very straightforward, and very steady climb up with no risk of the company. And that's why BoomDirect is so unique, right? They're taking things the smart way. They're taking the right route so that people, can do what they want and have this beautiful side income on top of everything. You can see your commissions real time in the back office. You get your commissions every day at midnight. It's just beautiful, right? There's literally money everywhere to be made in BoomDirect for a free program. I don't really know what people can really ask for when it comes to anything. So let's break down some math for you all, because that's one thing that I know a lot of people want to know. So with BoomDirect, here's realistic how it works, guys. With BoomDirect, they managed to work out to being around 1 pip of a spread, being able to come back to most people. So 1 pip of every spread is a very good amount to come back to everyone. And we can show you how much you'd actually making based off of every kind of trade. So, right here, what we're looking at is, let's say people were trading 0.01 lots per trade, which is the smallest amount you could ever trade on the financial markets. Even with that small amount, if you just referred 5 people who got 5 people who got 5 people who got 5 people, as you can see, 5 on your first level, 25 on your second, 125 on your third, 625 on your fourth, you would literally generate around $928 in total from them using a trade copying strategy. Not even trading themselves, just using the strategies of BoomDirect. You see, we were showing you guys an example of 3 trades per day, 20 trades per month, and even on the smallest lot size, you can see the amount of lots that it would create for the company, which therefore shows how much commission you would be able to earn. So let's say, again, you don't have, this is an example with 6, 7, around 800 people if you did 5 by 5 consistently down. That's $928 a month for people that signed into something for free and have less than $50 in their broker account copying a strategy. We all know 5 people that have $50 they can invest. Let's say you have 10% of that. You still make $92 a month for free. Even if you have 1% of that, which I think is what, 60, not even 60 people, 6 people, you would still make a profit. That is something that's really cool. You could literally have less than half a dozen friends using this copy strategies and still make a profit. So that just gives you guys a big example of how powerful this program is, with the 20% on your first level, the 15% on your second, 20% on your third, and 20% on your fourth. And this continuously grows as lots grow as well. So if you want to even check on how it grows further, let me just show you the next slide and we'll be good to go. So the 5 lot strategy, guys, let's say if people are doing 0.05 lots. So I believe they were showing in the example before, if that's for you have around $500 in your broker account, the same thing, you would now make with the same amount of people trading now, instead of 0.01 lots, but 0.05 lots on the same strategy, the same trader, you now generate yourself almost $5,000 a month. You can see on the sides of commissions how much that is for every level. But again, $5,000 a month for about 800 people doing that. If you have 80 people, that's still $500 a month. Even if it's 8 people, that's still $46 a month. This is a substantial amount of income, again, for some people that are just putting in $500 into a free program, not again into a program, but into their broker account and just copying a free program. Doesn't even need to be a trader. They do not need to be traders. Again, this is just copying strategies, which is, again, what I would recommend with everyone here is, use the strategies provided when they're so low risk. And then again, financial markets, Forex does come with a lot of risk attached to it. So you want to be safe with your money. And if something has consistency, you use it. So again, not only do you see the lot values that are traded, but imagine this, not only imagine what you're earning here, imagine the rank you're hitting on top of it with all of this happening. You can see how many lot sizes you're trading from this strategy and having these amount of people. Imagine what amount you'd get from the global revenue share on top of what you're getting from sponsorship commissions. You're gonna be making a lot of money. And I want to show you guys even further examples, because I know as your bank account grows, your lot sizes for your strategies will also increase. So if we go to the next slide, you're gonna see how they can even further grow, with 10 cents. Same amount of people. So again, you had the same 5 growing to 5, growing to 5. Now let's say they have $1,000 in their broker account. So you're trading 10-cent strategies. Again, that's $10,000 a month, guys. You are literally making a 6-figure income off of a free program, helping 5 people put $500 to $1,000 in their broker account, and just copying a strategy. and having them do the same thing and them do the same thing. Again, you have this money sitting in a bank account anyways. And we all have 800 friends on our probably Facebook that have $1,000 sitting in their bank account. When has that ever generated you $10,000 a month for giving them a better interest rate on their money? Think about that. Free money for everyone, just increasing their interest rate using strategies from managed money traders, people with actual licenses. So that shows a 10 lot strategy. And I'm not sure if we even have a slide for even higher, but if we do, I'm going to show you guys some crazy numbers, because we also know some of those people that we call, the traders that do trade. And I know some people like to do the higher lot size trading as well, or investing. So I'm just going to put it onto the next slide and kind of show you guys where this could really grow if this becomes massive. So again, you see these lots right here, right? I think we're looking at how many lots that you'd already be, star or presidential from your team growing. 100 lots right there, you could see 50 lots to silver. We were looking even with 10 cents where I think it was 1,500 for your team. Look at right here, 3,750 with a 10-cent lot, 150 on that one. So if you add all those lots together, I'm not the best at math, but I believe that is 3,000, 4,000, almost 5,000 lots. So again, you're almost trading close to 5,000 lots in your team. And again, if you went to your rank, what rank that would make you? I believe that would be pushing you to ambassador. Now think about that. That's pretty powerful. You'd be jumping all the way. So that's really cool, guys. That's one of the things that I really like. You can literally just see what kind of rank you would hit with that. Basically just with people using a copy trading strategy on top of your revenue. So we're just going to continue on with the slide now a little bit further. But that was just for you guys to look over. So remember, depending on your chosen strategy or the one chosen by your members, your rank advancement will occur much more quickly. The higher lot size people trade, the more your rank will increase. The more times people trade per day, the more that will increase as well. So always keep that in mind when you're looking to do investments that BoomDirect obviously has your back with it. So we're just going to go on to the next slide as well now. So we're going to talk about the fast start bonuses. So not only does BoomDirect pay you from the spread, not only does BoomDirect pay you from the personal sponsors you bring in, not just globally from your rank, but also personally from who you bring in. They also want people, like I was saying, to use their strategies, because again, a lot of people are new to Forex. They might not be traders. They might just want to be investors. So what they do is they incentivize you to not trade. They actually incentivize you to let them do the work for you. Again, I've never seen someone, a boss do that. A boss say, you know what, let me do the dishes for you and I'll pay you more than if you do the dishes yourself, right? I've never seen that before. So what they actually do is they pay you, they put more money into your broker account by having people that you have referred to BoomDirect copy their free strategies. They copy it for 30 days. You will receive anywhere between $20 to $50 to $100 to $250 into your trading account for doing certain things. One, if you want to get $25, refer 5 people for free. Tell those 5 people to put in, a couple $100 into their broker account and copy one of the strategies, a 0.05 lot strategy for 30 days. That's really all you need to do. That would make you $25 into your trade account. What if you have more people that you want to refer? Let's say you do it again with those people that have more money to put in their trade account. Well, that's pretty simple. That will just increase your money to $50 that's going into your broker account by just referring 5 friends again, using a 0.10 strategy for 30 days. $50, nice and easy. Let's say you want to make more money. Again, do double that. Have 10 friends that are using either the 0.10 or the 0.05 strategy for 30 days. Boom, another $100 on top of the spread, on top of the commission, on top of your rank into your broker account. That's a lot of money, guys. And again, let's say it even goes further. Let's say you do that to another level. You help your friends, all the 5 people you first brought in, help them refer 5 people, which again, as you saw, 5 people on your first level, that now mean 25 people on your second level. You're going to receive $250 bonus for doing that. And of course, one thing you guys know is everyone's going to want to hit these bonuses. So now let's say you referred your 5 people. They're going to want to refer their 5 people to get a quick bonus. Then their people are going to want to refer 5 people. So that's how you get this many people on your 4 levels super easily. It's literally just a pay it forward method. Find 5 friends that have 50 to 100 to a little bit more money sitting around. show them a free strategy, show them how they can literally put their money to work in the Forex markets without being a Forex trader and for completely free, and let them grow their interest. Let your interest grow, let the spread grow for you. So, that's a beautiful thing about these fast start bonuses. So we're going to go on to the last little bit of the business as well. Now, the virtual assistant. So like I was saying, a lot of people don't want to do anything. They literally just want to refer and continue to work, right? Maybe you have a busy life, maybe you run another business, whatever it might be. We have two options for you. One is you can basically sponsor people and help them start out with BoomDirect, basically being a sponsor for them, being a manager for them. And you could, so that means you're going to help them out. You get 100% of the sponsorship commissions. Maybe you want a virtual assistant or someone to do it for you, right? We literally give you a virtual assistant to use to manage your business. And that means you will earn between 75 to 50% of the commissions, and the rest goes to virtual assistants. So that is the sponsorship commissions. Again, if you do not want to do anything to do with the business, just have a link and share it with people, and have people ask questions elsewhere, have people, comment and ask the company for advice, and you don't really have to touch it. Literally, it could be a hands-free business and still generate you income. So that's one of the things that we realize, because some people like to be leaders, some people just like to be investors and just so happen to fall upon good people to share it with. We give you guys both options. So if you guys don't want to be someone to answer questions, don't want to be someone to be a manager, just let our virtual assistant handle it for you, and you're taken care of. And if you guys have any questions with virtual assistant after, I know we'll be having a Q&A, because I know some people ask about how it works, but don't worry, it's there and it's in your back office. You can even look on your back office to figure out more about it. So you decide what you want to do. Sponsor these customers and assist them when they start out with BoomDirect. You'll earn 100% of the sponsorship commissions, or refer your potential customers to the virtual assistant. That tool will take full responsibility for these people, and you will still be able to earn commissions without any involvement on your part. So gotta love the virtual assistant. So on to the next last and beautiful part of this whole presentation, guys, is, just one second, I'm just gonna click, the university. So we were talking about investors, but again, I know people are also interested in learning Forex. If you don't have a course already, I know a lot of people learn from different sources, but if you wanted something all in one, what we decided to do is partner with some excellent people to give you guys the ability to learn about Forex and copy trading from professionals. You'll be able to get introductory videos, you'll be able to get exclusive webinars and live trading sessions from the Diamond Trading Academy, which is, based out of France, a beautiful trading academy. They basically give you an access to a 1-year training valued at about $20,000 for $80 a month. Again, BoomDirect finds good partners to work with and gives you guys the savings, right? And you'll be able to even get a little certificate and badge after showing that, yes, now you are qualified to trade Forex. So when your friends ask you, because I know a lot of people want to know, people will always ask you, how much have you made? How much do you know? This and that. What's better than showing them that you've passed training, right? That is what Boom University is. And there's another cool part about Boom University is you can be paid to refer people to this university. When have you ever been paid to share people to a university? So we go over to the next slide. You're going to see that right now. You can get paid up to 8 levels monthly for people using the university, right? That could literally be, hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month for people university, or even if you have only 8 people, that could be $10 a month. If a friend referred a friend referred a friend, just like how all universities grow, so grows your income. You have 5 personal referrals that are using university, you get in for free. I cannot see any university that's given a no limit on your revenue. So let's say, again, instead of having 1 person on level 1 and 1 person each level, what happens if you had, again, you saw the 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 5? That was 4 levels deep, right? 4 levels deep is 800 people. That right there would be meaning you're making, 800 times $1. That's $800 a month for people going to university, right? Let's say that goes down another 8 levels. I don't even want to think of the math, because again, I'm not the best at math, but that will be, from what I know, tens of thousands of dollars a month from people just learning Forex. You don't even need to teach them. They have the teacher for you. You just simply show them a good university and they're good to go. And again, yes, this is paid per month where people have to pay, but it's completely optional on top of everything BoomDirect offers. So as I was saying, BoomDirect is more on the investing part. If you want to be a trader, Boom University is there for you as well if you want that option. So they got a little bit of everything for somebody. So on to the next slide as well. Guys, that was basically everything we can really share with you on BoomDirect. Just one second, my slide's a little slow. Oh, Just see if I can get, there we go. Yeah, so that was the end of the presentation, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, I know we do have a chat below where I'll be able to answer everybody that we have right now. So we can see right here, one person did ask, when are we going to be able to copy the profile of a trader? I believe that should be done by the end of this week. So right now, as you can see, you can already earn commissions. They were just basically moving everything over from their old platform. Like we said, they did do a lot of updating to BoomDirect to make it better, which is why they're constantly improving. So you should be able to have access to that next week. And again, I know there's other people that are curious about other news, other countries, other big exciting things. What I want to do is quickly introduce the CEO, Mr. Johnny Martin. He's someone that's literally putting in time, like so much time I cannot even imagine to you guys, for this, and really helping out, making it more improving, helping out, launch other things. Like there's other countries I know that are being introduced, more English speaking countries as well. So that's one thing that's very exciting. John, for the past month, if you were not using, again, if you're not attached to the new brokers, it's all based off of the brokers, not BoomDirect, right? So for that, if you were using, once BoomDirect was partnered with a new broker, that's when the commissions start with those new brokers. Everything else is with the past broker that you would have to contact. So Johnny, if you're here, I'd love for you to quickly speak and just give a little bit about the news that's happening, because I know there was a lot of exciting stuff you also wanted to cover. And everyone on this call, I want you guys to give a warm welcome as well to Johnny Martin, the CEO of BoomDirect.
Thank you so much, Daniel, to your webinar. Hi, everybody. How are you? Are you excited to see the business running up since yesterday? We have made a good webinar yesterday, and we have launched new feature about the business. So just before starting, I want to apologize again my English. I'm French Canadian. I'm learning and teaching my English, so I'm trying to do my best to make communication with you. So everybody hear me well? The sound is good. We don't have problem. Okay. So to answer for a question, I have a question from John. We will receive trade commission of the past month. Yesterday we have launched the sponsoring trading system in the back office, and now you can see commission is in real time. It's what I want to show you today. At the 8th May to the 1st June, we have paid yesterday all manual trade. So if you go to your history commission, you will be able to see if anybody have make manual trading on your team. So I just want to share my screen right now to show you what is happening on BoomDirect. It's so exciting. So just let me try to share you my screen. Okay, all right. Everybody see the signing platform? All right, perfect. So I talked to a member to ask him his username and password, because he have a really beautiful story, and I want to show you this. Okay, so I'm putting the username and password. Oh, I'm making an error. Okay, oh, that works. Okay, so I just want to show you the back office of Mr. Etienne Poirier. Okay, Etienne Poirier is a young man from Quebec, Canada, starting BoomDirect in 2015 with $50, and it's completely true. This person have started BoomDirect with $50, and they have make 20 direct referrals recruitment. Okay, I'm not here to show you bullshit. I will show you his team. These guys have started with 20 person personally recruited. On the level 2, you can see they have 394 person in the level 2, In the level 3, over 923% and over 1,600 people in the level 4. Okay, so I just want to show you it's possible to start business with no money. This person I've started with $50 and I've just find 20% in all his career, and now this person is now a legend. Okay, you have the rank legend, and you make a lot of money. You can be sure. So just to show you what I've changed in the back office. So now you can see here the progress bar. We have now two progress bar. We have your solo progression bar and your team progression bar. So yesterday we have processed all trade, uh, all manual trade in the back office, and we have trade 1,000, 10,000 trades. So people have make money. So I'm not sure if you have make money today, yesterday, but to see if you have make money, go to your BoomDirect commission, and you will see. Oh, sorry, and commission history. Sorry. So in the commission history, you can see all trades, all manual trades make it by your downline. So you can see here, Etienne have make 10 cents, 2 cents, 4 cents, 10 cents for a position at 0.10. We can see more and more. 40 cent here, 50 cent. We have 128 page of commission. So, and we don't have started the copy trading. You can see how much is crazy. Actually, it's only manual trade recorded in the commission history of Etienne. And it's not, by the way, Etienne is not the top leader. It's a leader, but it's not the top leader. I want to show him. I want to show you his account because his history is so beautiful. Starting with $50, recruiting 20%, and now he have over 2,000 people in his team. So you can see here every time a trade is open, I will try to do a refresh just to see. We can see AG 100B at this hour. We'll try to do a refresh to see if another trade is coming. Yes, you can see it. Remember, I've make a trade while I'm talking to you. It's then I've make 4 cents while I'm talking to you. The last history was this, and I make a refresh, and it's gonna make money for manual trading. It's not copy trading for the moment. So just to talk to you about copy trading, uh, our trader is ready to start copy trading. Everything is ready right now. We just need to make some tests to be sure we will not get any bug, any error. So the copy trade, the managed copy, the managed trading will be working shortly. I can show you if you want in the dev platform. By the way, I will show you to the Boom University. Okay, so I will connect to my fake account. Okay, I will answer to a question to Mafon Turney. Um, you need to go to MT4 account and click on download MT4 platform Windows. The MT4 web is here just to see your position. It's not the right way to trade manually. Okay, I suggest you to go. I will show you right now. You go to MT4 accounts. Okay, and you click on download the Windows application or download Mac application. Okay, understood? All right. So when you will have download this and install, you enter your account number, and on manage you can see your password. I will not click here to protect Etienne, but you can see on see password, and you will see your password, and you enter it on MT4 Windows MetaTraders platform. All right, perfect, no problem. It's a pleasure. So I will translate it in English because my fake account is normally in French because I'm talking French. I will push it on English. Okay, so manage a trading. As you can see, it's in test actually. So when you will start copying, you will only check a strategy, the strategy from where is the strategy, what is the description of the strategy, how much money you want put in this strategy, and you click on copy, and that's it. Everything will do everything will work in autopilot, yes. I just want to show you Boom University too, because normally next Monday the Boom University will start for French people. Okay, we need 1 month for English people. We are working on all structure of the course and training and webinar for English. In 1 month, that will be possible to get an access to the Boom University. As you can see, it's really nice. Here you can see if your subscription is active. About Diamond Trading Academy, you can see here the history of Diamond Trading Academy. You can see here all teachers will teach you the program. You can see here the formation plan. Just to show you an example, this is a 52 weeks program. So it's a program for 1 year. Okay, and in if I take an example, week 0, it's the free weeks. Okay, you get 10 video for free to see what is the program. If I go to week 4, you can see uh, every Monday, it's analyze and provision of the weeks. So uh, teacher will explain you uh, what is a potential this week. We show you a complete analysis of the weeks, what will happen in the market. So here is a theoretical course. Here is a practice course, and here it's evaluation. So it's a webinar where you can talk with the teacher and ask question and just make your evaluation if you have understand all. And every Friday it's trading. Every Friday you will trade in live with all teachers. Okay, it's really a good program. So you can see the program at your your rhythm. Example, if I go to your information, you can see here you have your progression is you have C um, 16 cores over 270 cores. You can see here, watch my next video, so you can go directly where you are in the formation, in the training. As you can see, when it's purple, that the reason why it's purple is you don't have to see this video. and you can see your week progress. 5 to 10, you have see 5 video of 10 video this week. So at your time, you can follow the training. It's not an obligation to be on the webinar when it's live. Everybody understand me? Sorry for my English, by the way. Everybody understand me? You can talk. Okay, thanks. So I go back to the Etienne account. I want to see. Okay, no more trade for the moment. But now it's in real time. So everybody will trade manually in your downline. You will see the commission in real time in your back office. And when people will choose a strategy to copy, every time the trader will open a trade, sorry, all your downline will open a trade, and you will make a commission in real time for all opened trade. Do you understand how much it's crazy? I really hope you understand. Yeah, me too. Can't wait, John. I'm so excited to see our opening trade. I think people will click on the refresh, and refresh every minute to see if he makes money. So about I want to talk to you about document validation. Um, Actually, we are talking with a company to be able to process in autopilot mode all document validation that will really increase or speed to trade validation. When we will see BoomDirect Trader strategy in your back office next week. Next week, you will be able to see every strategy offered by traders, uh, managed traders on BoomDirect next week. So we make all tests today and this weekend, and in maybe Wednesday, I think all will be great, and you will be able to start copying traders. So I have information about US people too. Don't be worried. We are working on this. It's really sure we will offer services for USA member. We are just trying to close the deal with the broker. We are talking right now. So uh, at the minutes the contract will be signed, I will send to all US member an email to invite you to create your trading account. So we are very excited to be able to offer trading possibility to USA member. So that will be very shortly in daily. We are working on it, and when that will be ready, you can be sure you will receive an email to invite you to create your trading account. So on my side, it's the information I have today for you. All the train is now working. You can come to the train and advance with yes. I just want to make a little test. Uh, on the chat, actually, do you have see in your historic commission if you have make money on trade, on manual trade? Anybody here have make money on trade? James, no. Ronald, no. No, John, it's not about trading yourself. It's about people trading in your downline. If a person trade in your downline, you have made profit. I have no referral yet. It's time to starting my food. It's time to starting making it downline. Okay, so well, um, I asked it before because yesterday on the chat we have a lot of people making money, and I have put the microphone to people to explain us the experience. So if nobody have make profit right now, I will not share you the microphone. But I have to I do I had do this yesterday. It was completely sick. Promotional tool is at 95% done. We work on copy trading, and after we will work on professional tool. What will happen now? The money we deposit will be only in the trading account. What will happen with the rank of older member? Every rank is acquire for life. Okay, you will never lose your rank. Um, in the past, BoomDirect sells position. So in the past, if you want to be an executive, you pay the price to be an executive. So if you have bought your position, you will keep this position for life. But if you when you will get loads in your progress bar, you will increase your rank. So now you cannot increase your rank with money. Yes, you can be a virtual assistant for members. Next month, we will offer formation and training to all person who want to be a virtual assistant. Yes, Mirko, rank money is changed for lots. As you can see, it's now lots. So by the way, this money, it's not real money, you know. This money, it's the price you have paid to buy your position. So everybody on your upline have make commission when you have bought your position. So this is a product, and now this is free. Yes, John, we are working to offering Skrill and Pesa. So Skrill and Pesa will be as soon as possible uh, working on deposits and withdrawal solution. We are working on this. No Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very not interesting for trading platform. We have too much. How can I explain this? We have too much bad reputation about the Bitcoin. We don't want to work with Bitcoin. A lot of business make fraud with Bitcoin, so it's not safe for us. Okay, so thank you so much to be here. If you have more question, you can talk to me on Skype, on Facebook. You know, I'm not busy for my members. So if you want to talk to me, that would be a pleasure for me to answer your question. By the way, go to my new personal page. I have created a personal page to give you the chance to contact me directly. I will pass you on the chat my new personal page. Just a second, please. Okay, so this is my personal page. So you can You can sign to my personal page, and you will be able to see um, all exclusivity I publish, and you will be able to send me a personal message, and you can be sure I will answer you. When I trade with 0.02 size, what is the value for one lot? At 0.2, it's 20 trade 0.02 or 0.2. Okay, 0.2, you need five trades to make one lots. Because it's 20 cents, it's $2 pips, right? Yeah, John, it's a good idea. We will put to you a legion of lots, how many trade you need, and I will ask to my marketing team to create this. Roland, about your account, actually, all my support agent is working on compliance. We need to validate all accounts to be able to start business and copy trading and running again the business. So I know we have only one agent on support ticket. So please, I ask you to be very patient because we will receive a lot support ticket and we have only one agent for the moment. When we will finish to make all compliance, all my agents will go back to the support, and we will reopen chat support, phone support, and email support. Do we have to copy a robot also for the commission of the rank? Yes, Chris, that will not be a robot. That will be an hybrid strategy, bot and human traders. Okay, and you will need to put $50 on this strategy to be able to get the rank bonus, a minimum of $50. Do we need more money to copy a more risk strategy? Um, Actually, we offer only low risk strategy. And if you try to, if as you can see here on the dev platform, example, if you want to copy the strategy at 0.05, by the way, the amount is not good. The amount is $500 for 0.05, okay? So if you have $200 and you try to copy at 0.05, the system will explain you to deposit more money because you don't have sufficient enough money to copy at this size lot. Okay, this is a protection to protect members. We don't want you copy trade at 0.10 with $100. It's completely sick. That's sure you will lose money because the leverage is different. So the risk management and the money management is different too. Understand, John? I still cannot find my access. Login failed. Those enemies have the same problem. Mirko, I just want to be sure. Do you see your MT4 account in your back office? Do you see your money balance? Yes? Okay, but you're not able to make a deposit. Your account is in pending or document is validated. Validated. Okay. It's I think it's a bug on your account. So normally I don't do that, but give me your email and your BoomDirect username. I will give this to my agent right now, because I think it's a bug. Why don't see the item managing trading in my BoomDirect page? Roland, it's because actually you are in my dev platform. Okay, I show you my dev platform. The live platform is panel, and the dev platform is dev. So only me and my dev team can see this page, not you. Okay, Mirko, I do a copy paste. As you can see, I will show you live. You can see? That will be fixed, Mirko, you can be sure. So thank you everybody to be here. Thank you so much to Daniel to do this webinar. I really like the flow of the English of Daniel. I really I really hope to be able to talk in English like that.
Yeah, one day we'll be able to get there. I hope I can speak like French as you do.
So thank you so much, Daniel. You are very very amazing boy.
Well, thank you guys. And again, this should be recorded as well. So once the recording is out, I will be sharing it on my Facebook, and we'll be able to give it to other people because this was an excellent webinar to share with everyone. So again, thank you guys for being on, and I wish you all a beautiful, beautiful Thursday afternoon. So thank you again, and hope you guys have an excellent day.
Yes, thank you. Bye bye.